guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Dan, and we gonna react Eunice Curious, and very excited because I've been waiting for their comeback. You know, I've been listening to Eunice non-stop. Okay, I've been a fan of Eunice since their debut. I'm very excited. What's the song? Okay, what's the song? So we can use set up presence sa baba yung camera ako naman para makita yung title din. But we gonna react and let's go. Boring. Okay, Kotoko. Yunjo. Yunjo? What? Okay na nga? Yun ha. Okay, kasi na ako yun ha, men. So, yun is my bias, sorry. Okay, yun na.
멈추지 말고 달려가 I'm gonna go the most 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one 바로 나야 바로 나야 Do what I wanna do 깊이 숨겨 안해봐봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 너만 몰라 I want to be the one 왜 너만 몰라 왜 너만 몰라 You classic wanna be 나인 걸 what's up Next chapter 열어봐 moon Plus classic 보면 다음 널걸 The reason why I'm chosen 유리 구두보다 sneakers And then I kick it, jump in, run and go Cause I keep popping, makes me delicate Up to the top, never stop until 누가 줘 I move
Sorry guys, we had some interruption here. Dito kasi pinsan ko, Bunso. I mean, pinsan, barkada pala. In fact, I think it's gonna sit here with me na magre-react ng music video.
Joman?
Yeah, here comes Greggy. Here comes Greggy. So, you can react with me, man. You can react with me with this music video. Kaka-release lang.
Oh.
Okay. Hindi nyo makita. Okay, I will adjust the camera na lang. Adjust ko yung camera para makita nyo yung kagwapuan ni Greggy. See that? Okay? Okay, so we're gonna react, okay?
Okay.
Okay, kaso nasa part na ako ng ano, you can back sa
정말 몰라 I want to be the one 바로 나야 Do what I wanna do 깊이 숨겨 내봐봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 너만 몰라 I want to be the one 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라 왜 너만 몰라 왜 너만 몰라 But I'm confused 나도 몰라 날 difficult world I'm not afraid Just trust myself 빛날 테니까 And I will show the real to you ever after
Hey. You see our voice is
왜 너만 몰라 왜 너만 몰라
Okay!
Tapos na lang?
Yeah. Kasi late ka na kanina, man. Okay, that's Eunice. Curious. Oh, wow. I would say that song is kind of different sa Superwoman nila. But how about you, Greg Bunso? Ano yung masasabi mo sa kanta? Even though it's hap, napakinggan mo yung hap.
Ganda naman.
He's not a fan of K-pop. So, iba talaga yung niya masasabi. But I would say this song is kind of different, but it's actually good. Okay, it's better than Superwoman. I would say it's better than Superwoman debut nila. Man, it's they tried something new, diba? So even though Greggy
Just,
even though Greggy doesn't know the nakikisaw sa ulo. But we still gonna react again. But this time with subtitles. Diba? So, ito na. Dito na.
with subtitles. Boring. Same time.
Yunju. May bias ko. Oh, she threw the cupcake.
Wala attitude. Oh, damn.
When I'm alone.
Yung guitar like reminds me of like a certain, if you listen, hindi. It's like an entrance sa mga WWE games like that. Entrance of the music and the guitar, like that. Okay, if you watch some wrestling like kasi parang may naano ako eh. May natandaan lang sa guitar na yun. Yeah, pamilya.
서둘러 여길 벗어나봐 I'm so curious
Hey,
겁이 나서 말 같은 건 나일 수 있잖아
Inana?
Open up door come out 여기서 I know you wanna
So the song talaga yung sa video na to for my own perspective, okay? For my own understanding is like nasa phone sila, I think. Kasi nakita nyo the guys react to them sa phone, then pumasok parang nandun sila sa loob ng phone. Like they have something in the world na phone na yun. Like this, kapag pumasok ka dito, there's a
Like
civilization.
Like other dimensions.
Yeah.
어두울 time 어렸던 어제는 지났어 Let's go right now 불안한 떨쳐내 두꺼워 You and I story 갖춰진 우리 밥
Pinay yes ba? Pinay. She's a Pinay, so.
Pinay?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Alicia. You can search Alicia. Alicia. Filipina. Actress.
자고 bring it on tonight 마지막까지 멈추지 말고 달려가 I'm gonna go
You can't do that, man. Oh my god.
15
the
years.
most 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one
Okay, Eunice is a younger group, okay? They're all young, so the oldest, okay, is my bias, kaya her name is Hyunjo. Okay, I will say Hyunjo, ito. She's the oldest one. I think she's 21. Her age is 21 yata. Yeah, she's 22. Okay, she's 22. So, okay pa okay. Greg is so shocked because he learned mostly of the groups. Yeah. He thought that girls here are older, like 20 plus, hindi pala. So we can still react, okay?
바로 나야 좋아 I wanna
Not
Something.
Yeah, they actually look 19, pero yung kapag ano mo sila, they are young.
But their details.
The details, they are so young, okay? They're 16. No, the young is 13.
The
bababa,
one
13.
is Filipina. Yeah.
Two, actually two. Dalawa sila.
Two?
Jelly. Jelly is the other one girl. Yes, Jelly. This one. That's Jelly. To. That's Jelly. Pinay din. Actually, yung pinay ito si Hyunjo. Half Filipina.
Filipina.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Half Filipina din siya. Hyunjo.
Just just like a Korean.
깊이 숨겨
Tatay yan si Korea yata.
해봐야 봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star 나만 몰라 너만 몰라 I want to be the one 왜
Man!
나만
Mon!
몰라
Hey!
왜 나만 몰라 New classic wanna be 나인 걸 what's up Next chapter 열어봐 moon Plus classic Boring time 널걸 The reason why I'm chosen 유리구두보다 sneakers And then I kick it, jumping, running out Cause I keep popping, makes me delicate Up to the top, never stop until Look at you, I move Dress을 입고 난 Perfect hat trick round
Exactly, bro.
Every sunny day 너만 몰라 정말 몰라 I want to be the one
Hey.
바로 나야 Do what I wanna do 깊이 숨겨내봐야 봐 눈부시잖아 I'm like a star
Hey.
너만 몰라 I want to be the one 왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
You can hear the voice parang ano no? Auto-tune na. Yun like that. You can see.
나만 몰라
Diba? Parang may pagka-auto-tune. But that's her real voice.
왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Sa akin man. Then, kita mo yung pag
나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Then, that's my bias, Seonju.
왜 나만 몰라 But I'm confused 나도 몰라 날 difficult world I'm not afraid Just trust myself 빛날 테니까 And I will show the real to you ever after
And that's a really, oh my god, that's a really, voice is so on point. So, di ba? Man.
And I will show the real to you ever after
Damn. Man. Not bad.
왜 나만 몰라 왜 나만 몰라
Man.
왜 나만 몰라
Finger parang.
왜
Beat.
나만 몰라
Woo! Okay, so that's Eunice. Curious. So, ano masabi mo sa kanta na yun? Like, you listen to the fully song. Okay? Pasensya mo na kay Greggy. Greggy is not like good for explaining.
Yes, I'm a little bit shy.
Pwede mo yung Tagalog man. You can speak Tagalog.
Oh, man, no.
Okay, he said he can't explain the words he feel. Come on, Greggy. May masabi ka lang naman sa isa dito sa
I'm
kanta
sick.
namin.
Oh,
He's sick though. Masabi ko sa kanta ito, it's kind of different, but it's not that impactful. I think they're still gonna find their own song naman talaga. But I would say the song is not that bad.
that's
But
bad.
wow, okay, it's actually
I realized
amazing.
that
Ano?
I watch K-pop.
So
15 videos old.
I mean, mostly K-pop yung groups nowadays are young. They debut as in bata. I think bata na kasi yung debut nila na hindi na matanda. I don't know, but mostly companies choose younger girls to debut sa company. So he competed siya because he doesn't know the Eunice are mostly young. So yun lang. So yun naman bunso, but yeah, the song itself's not that bad. I would say yung era na to, it will be definitely soon talaga. She actually nailed it with her voice, but all the girls really stand out. Of course, yung kay Nana, it's actually, I'm quite surprised she dyed her hair to black. Hindi ko siya namukaan, but wow, she's still gorgeous. Every lahat dito na babae, man, they really outdid themselves, okay? Okay, yung ano talaga, Okay, it's not my typical song, but I would give them a solid 8. Okay. Ikaw, so ano rate 0 out of 10? Yung in your heart. Alam ko hindi mo gusto eh.
In my own expression. To be honest, 6 out of 10.
Oh, why 6? May naano ka talaga sa song or
I like the beat, but
the song?
the song is not just not
Hindi siya impact.
yes,
Hindi siya parang
not
ano sa
related to me or
hindi siya nagano like
or-
like nagano sa puso
just
mo.
hit in my
Head.
my own expression. Not my head,
Hit your head.
but in my heart.
Okay. But I would agree kay
At least I listen.
I would agree.
I never listen to K-pop, to be honest.
Yeah. So,
I'm not,
okay, in the next video, I-explain natin kay Post. But I would agree kay Greggy na it's not that quite impactful, but it's actually solid one. It's actually better than their debut. But I would say they really killed it, and everybody stand up. Man, the lyrics, the song, the choreography, of course, the visuals, of course, and everything is actually good. But yun ang talaga, kunti-kunti lang, it will be a solid 10. But, yun na guys, it's my own opinion naman. Di ba, Greg?
yes.
Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Ano sabi mo, Greggy, sa mga nanonood?
Please subscribe and like this video.
Subscribe, man.
Subscribes.
Okay.